welcome to a new video by Stan's Auto Repair. Today is the alternator for a 2011 Chevy Cruze. It's pretty easy. What you need, just get your air box out. You can just disconnect the hose down there with a flathead. Then jack up your tire, 19 millimeter on the lug nuts, 19 fits also the hubcap. Okay, now for the alternator bolts, which you can kind of see, there's one here and then there's one directly where my finger is below this engine mount host. This here is, let me get my tool. I want to make sure I tell you correctly. I believe it's this one here. Yes. The cable bolt to the alternator is a 13. Okay. For this there, that's also a 13. Now what I did not take my belt off. I used the flathead screwdriver that I used to take the air box out, and I kept it on its pulleys and I just looped it around it and it's held in place. Now this clip here, oh, where do you go? Where's the wire? Oh yeah, I put it up in the up here so I don't lose it. This is a little bit of a pain in the butt to get out. So if you're not left-handed, you're gonna have to push this until it goes down. Now if you're like me and you got an original alternator from when the car was built back in 2010, because it's 2011, you push down, you're going to have to wiggle this until it actually moves. But give this a good wiggle, but be gentle. Check your wires. Those wires look good. Okay, and to get it out, once you set it down on your CV axle and your sway bar link right here, you can literally grab it and it comes out right behind this splash panel. And to get it in, same way. But what happened with mine is the pulley lets loose. Without tension on it, it spins just fine. But with tension of the belt, see, like I'm the belt, it barely moves. So the pulley wore out. Alternator's good. Pulley wore out. And replacing it, it's the same way. If yours is like mine, it might be a little rusty, so you're gonna have to do some wiggling. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. And I might show putting it back in, which would be the same way taking it out. All right, alternator's in. So again, 13. Yeah. When you do disconnect, make sure you disconnect your battery. Negative first, positive. You'll have to get this little clip up. You might have a door here. This is a 13 millimeter, and then you have a clip on the sides. You can get your finger over here and pop this up to get this off the battery. This here, it holds it down, which is a 10 millimeter. Better put that in there or my battery be going all over the place. Now your TPS sensors might be off kilter, and typically if your alternator is going out, your car is going to start shutting down systems, which TPS is going to be one of them, and those might getting faulty on you. But oh. Okay, there we go. All I need to do is just touch it. Try and do this one-handed. Okay, there we go. Lila, you come help Daddy. Leave the worm alone. Take this black thing, hold it, touch it to that. Okay. And as you can see, the new alternator is charging, which is good. Engine's actually running a lot smoother, so I think that might have been what was causing my misfire, not enough voltage to the coil. And this is the part number. It's from AutoZone. It is remanufactured, but it turns out it's a remanufactured GM, so I'm not too worried about it. It's not like it's a remanufactured aftermarket. But there's your part number. And even the squeaking calmed down. But there's the alternator right there. That bad boy is smoother than a whistle. Yep, so that noise I was hearing is actually the alternator. Oh. All right, y'all. Thank you for watching. What do you want to say to people? It's in the video.
Subscribe and hit the channel and hit the bell.
So subscribe and hit the bell. All right, tell them bye.
Bye! I got a worm!
Yep, you got a worm.
I can't.
Tell people bye.
Bye!
Tell them if it's broke, fix it.
But fix it!
Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe! And hit this channel too! And hit the